Mom, stop! This bowl of overnight veggies is going to kill me? Internet says this might literally send me to heaven. Is that real? Guess before I tell you. First myth. Overnight water is a toxic potion? People say bacteria multiplies overnight, like crazy. But does that actually kill you? Yes or no? Unless your water is literally dirty, your stomach acid destroys most bacteria. So overnight water? Nah, not the killer. But what about this? Some vegetables increase nitrite when left overnight. Overnight veggie saved, but the real kitchen nuclear weapon is microwaves. Internet says microwaves give you cancer. Reality, microwaves just make water molecules dance. No DNA damage, no cancer beam, so microwave, it's safe. But there is something dangerous. Room temperature leftovers grow bacteria fast. Fridge within 2 hours, or it's done. Your parents leave it out how long? Cold fridge slows nitrite growth by a lot. Keep it below 4 degrees Celsius. See? Not exploding overnight like rumors say. Reheat evenly. Kill the remaining bacteria. Tastes good and safe. See? Mom almost didn't kill me today. But one type of leftover is scary. Lazy greens can build nitrate faster. EP5 spoiler, you're not ready. One common veggie becomes the real villain. To the gitch, overnight veggies produce dangerous nitrites, and that one fridge mistake everyone makes is the real kill. Follow so you don't miss the truth. See you in EP5 Hot Girls Kitchen Secrets.
TLS Maya here. Let's fix what everyone keeps messing up.